We've heard, of course, rates are going down. Should Canadians expect to pay more from what they did even a couple years ago?
Yeah, so 2022 is when the interest rates started to go up as the inflation numbers hit record levels. So the Bank of Canada was a little more aggressive at raising interest rates. So, you know, anybody that got a mortgage the latter part of 22, 23, and 24 could be in the fives. But most of them, you know, if you took a 2 or 3 year mortgage at the time, you're right. You've got a mortgage coming up for renewal. And the likelihood is that for most people that have renewals coming up, the interest rate is higher.
Right.
There's a small handful that maybe took a 2 year and now the interest rate would be lower, and that's good for them. But again, I mean, I would encourage anyone to, you know, the mortgage is your biggest debt. Get a second opinion. If you're with the bank, call a mortgage broker and get a second opinion from a mortgage broker. At least let them shop around for you and see if they can do better, because, you know, it doesn't sound like a lot, but if your mortgage rate is 10 basis points better, depending on the amount of the mortgage, that could be a trip down south and getting away from this cold weather that we're getting next week. Instead, go down south for a week.